Crankshaft back in place. It spins excellent. That's what you want to see. That's what I want to see actually. That's not grabbing anywhere. It turns freely. There is some resistance because I'm using the gel, the engine assembly grease. I'm using this one. One second. Okay. So this is what I'm expecting to see. Where am I? And if you turn it fast, you see it's not stopping suddenly. You see it's still moving. This is another one verification for me. That means you measure the crankshaft, the journals of the crankshaft. You make your homework, let us say, with the crankshaft main bearings. You choose, let us say, upper, it's the blue one, to be the number 2, to be equal, let us say, the crankshaft straight, to don't be more high or more low. You choose the lower one. Keep in mind that's been polished, the crankshaft, so you have 2000 millimeter, let us say, a little bit smaller journal. You make all your measurements, you double check your job, you put the plastic cage, and then finally you're waiting, you're expecting to feel the same thing what you're expecting, what you're feeling with all the other engines. So don't be tight, don't be loose because of the gel, like I said also. You see what happened now? Yay, how lovely. I'm showing you the crankshaft, and I didn't show you earlier that I make the piston ring gap. Did I show you? Did I make a video? Give me a second. Give me a second to have a look on it. Dang it, I forget it. I uploaded already the previous video. Yeah. Did I make another video with the piston ring gap? Let me have a look. Give me a second for you, 1 minute for me. No, I didn't make another clip for that. Yep, okay. So, top piston ring, second piston ring, already gapped. Oil control ring, beautiful, amazing. I was not expecting something different for the oil control ring, excellent. I already adjust the gap for the top and the second, obviously. I cannot keep it as it is. Only if it was with a stock tune. If you have a stock tune without turbo upgrade and it's bone stock, then yes, you can keep the gap at 0.3 of millimeter, 3/10 of millimeter. Then you see I have the other piston here because I was making, I have to clean this and I have to take it out because here you see that it has some pieces. This piston need to be washed again. I have here the connecting rods that's been already washed. Okay, I have the ARP L19 wrist pin, safe. The connecting bearings here, this not now because it has some powder from the box, so I have to wash them also. And sometimes, I have said that before, sometimes it has also some not rust. I'm gonna show you when comes the time. So for now I have the envelopes, and because not now the time to put the piston connectors together, I have to make a balancing. I have to get the weight to be safe. Like what I'm doing all the time, getting the weight from the piston, from the wrist pin, the C-safe, the bolts, the connecting rod as a total, small end, big end, and then you can make adjustments. And if you have plenty of connecting rods and pistons, because now we get a shipment, you can go, let us say, if you see any imperfections, you can get, let us say, one other connecting rod to find the same weight, and you don't have to remove material. Usually these connecting rods, these pistons, this wrist pin, they are plus minus 0.2, 0.3 of a gram out of the box. So at the end of the day, even if you don't make a balancing, it's not so much important. I'm talking about for these pistons and these connecting rods, for this brand. I'm not talking in general. If you check the stock piston or some other pistons or the connecting rods, then you'll understand the difference. Usually they're ready out of the box. Just in case, it's a good thing to double check it again and to know what's going on. I'm checking like always. Like I said, small end, big end, total, and all the rest. So, putting in the envelope the piston rings. I'm not gonna continue today. Today it's Saturday. I'm happy. I want to cover now the block, don't fall anything inside. I'm happy that I finalized the crankshaft, the new bolts, everything back in place. Alright, beautiful. So I'm continuing on Monday with the balancing. I have only one Sunday. Give me a break. I have only one day, so I can a little bit early, right? It's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. Yeah, why not? That's it for now. Have a nice weekend. Again, next part on Monday. Let me show you also my setup. I need the book. This marker is for a whiteboard when I'm writing on the stainless steel table. This is a permanent marker to write the number on the pistons and on the wrist pin, and pen to write down. Calculator, scale. I have this one. This usually I have this for the M157, and I have also the other one for the M156. No, this for the M156. Sorry, I'm putting this here to put the piston, so don't step on any edge on the scale. So I have another 2 scales to verify my readings, and I have also another one that's very precise. Actually, it's measuring, I don't know, 1/10 of the thousand of a gram, something like that, something stupid for this one. So yes, on Monday, getting the measurements. I bring it everything. Yes, I have it all. Yep. Just only need to check the temperature. I like to be at 25 degrees. The chair in place. So that's it. Now that's the end. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend.